YouTube, what's poppin'? I'm back with
Ghetto hippie in the What up, everybody? So today we are going to make Bad Santa eggnog. It's my husband's special recipe, and I guarantee you, you are going to love this freaking eggnog. It's so amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go over the ingredients that you're gonna need. So obviously you're going to need eggnog. We got eggnog here. We got our brown good stuff of your choice, you know, whatever you choose, whatever you're liking. We have some caramel, some Smucker's caramel. We have Ghirardelli. And let's see, it's dark chocolate peppermint bark is what we have here. Obviously, you're going to need ice. And we have also some crushed peppermint, and that's if you would like to have that as well. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to let hubby go ahead and put this together, and we're going to explain as we go how to do it. All right, here we go. So first off, you want to put as many cups as you're gonna make for your guests. So obviously there's only 2 of us, so we're gonna do 2 cups of eggnog. And first we're gonna put our ice, right, babe? Nice.
Nope.
So we add the ice. Yep. So next we're gonna add our ice.
the ice is to make it thicker.
Right. So you get that slushy. I promise you. I know like half of you guys have this in your house already. When this video's over, get to it.
All right, here we go.
Adding more ice. Yes, sir. Alright.
If you like it sweet, add a lot of caramel. But if you want to taste more than liquor, don't add that much. I like mine sweet, don't you?
Yeah, I like my sweet too. We don't like bitter stuff. And you have to be 21 and over to make this drink. FYI.
Or have some real cool parent.
21.
So you blend it again. This is the fun part. It's where you add
your brown good stuff. So for us, we're gonna do 2 shots.
But if you're more adventurous, add as many as you want.
That's up to you. This two right here.
Add more ice.
I know I gotta dance. It's not a video.
Whipped cream.
We need whipped cream.
You could do the pretty part. What this will be? You're really supposed to taste test to see if it's sweet, too sweet, or if you need more liquor or what.
For yours?
Oh, I'm drinking one? Oh, Lord Jesus.
What? Who drinks alone in the holidays?
We're gonna do one with the Ghirardelli, and we're gonna do one with the peppermint.
Yeah. Okay. So what you want to do next is you're just gonna do just a scoop and plop it on in there. Okay, and go ahead and do that one. What we're gonna do with the Ghirardelli is you want to take one is absolutely good. The fact that the drink is already sweet already.
You can do it with or without it.
Yeah, it's up to you.
The caramel's enough. That's how I like it.
I'm gonna take a zester and just go over the drink. And then this is also really cute, like if you're serving it at a party or to your guests during Christmas time.
And it will sneak up on you. I promise you.
Yes, it will.
But I'm a lightweight, so.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. So this hubby puts his peppermint on his. All right. So there we go. Go, hubby. All right, so here is the one with the Ghirardelli, and here's the one with the peppermint. Salute.
Oh, Lord. I'm about to get lit on camera. Sight. It's good. It's strong.
Oh, it's so perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
I could barely take
Every
it.
year, I promise you, this is my drink. I don't like drinking anything else but this.
So all you do is add some eggnog, add some ice cubes, blend it, add some caramel, add your liquor, blend it, do a little taste test, see if you need more liquor or more caramel, pour it, and go from there. You can make a big batch, a little batch, it don't matter.
It's up to you. Delicious. That concludes this video.
Short and
Like,
sweet.
comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Peace.
Good job, boys. Thank you.